The first concept one, the marginal costing. Concept one, units wise. So fixed cost 1,50,000 and the variable cost per unit 10 rupees and selling price per unit 15 rupees. Okay, now find the information. First one, break even point. The second one, PV ratio. And third one, profit given the calculation of MOS. The fourth one, the profit are given, then sales requirement. And fifth one, sales are given and profit the requirement. So the first one, BEP, break even points. So break even point formula using to F by S minus V. Why are you using to F by S minus V? So there are the given to question unit wise. Then using to this formula, 1,50,000 by 15 minus 10. So 30,000 units are getting. So then they converted to break even point values. So break even point units 30,000 and selling price 15 rupees. So 4,50,000 total. The second one, PV ratio. PV ratio formula S minus V by S. So this formula suitable in this PV ratio. So using to the formula. S for 15 rupees and V is equal to 10 rupees. S minus V, 15 minus 10 by 15. 5 by 15 is equal 0.333333. So then PV ratio is equal final got 33.33%. So MOS formula profits by PV ratio. The profit are given to adjustment the third point. The profit 50,000, how much MOS? The profit 50,000, already PV ratio is equal already calculation 0.3333. They get in answer 1,50,000. Okay, next fourth one. The profit 60,000, but when how much sales required? So then using to formula A plus EB by S minus V. So 1,50,000 plus 60,000 by S minus V, 15 minus 10. So 60,000 already they given to adjustment the fourth point. Profit 60,000, how much sales required? Those in this formula using. So 2,10,000 by 5, 42,000, 4,42,000 units are given. So then the converted rupees 42,000 into 15, 6,30,000 the total sales values. Now 50 points, sales are given 3 lakhs, then find the profits. So then using to formula sales is equal to A plus EB by S minus V. So this formula is using to only this one. Another formula is also A plus EP by PV ratio. PV ratio using to only values term. But in this problems they are given to the units 3 lakhs into 1,50,000 plus EP by 15 minus 10. So in the cross multiplication 3 lakhs into 5 and 1,50,000 into 1. So 15 lakhs minus 1,50,000 answer 13 lakhs in the 50,000 the final answer. This conceptual the 4 marks or the 12 marks any one the given. Thank you.